This is the Kaloud Samsaris. Boasting unparalleled performance, Samsaris comes in 3 material options that will satisfy the most discerning hookah enthusiast. The Samsaris bowls are extremely intuitive and pair perfectly with the Kaloud Lotuses. Please note, the Samsaris bowls are not designed to be used with foil, but they may be used with most other heat management devices. First, pack the tobacco up to the center spire of your Samsaris. You can use a denser pack or a fluffier pack. How you pack your tobacco is a matter of preference and more of an art than a science. We encourage you to experiment to find what you like, and you can always reach out to Kaloud for help or to share your favorite recipes. Next, put the Lotus on top of the Samsaris and insert the charcoal. Adjust the lid as needed for heat management. Taking the lid off delivers the least amount of heat. Having the lid on with the vents open delivers medium heat. And closing the vents will create the most heat. More heat will produce more smoke, but you need to be careful not to apply too much heat, or the tobacco will taste burnt and potentially sting the back of your throat. Depending on what type of Samsaris you have, the experience will be slightly different. The ceramic Samsaris Lapis will take the longest to heat up. We recommend 10 minutes of heating with the charcoal before smoking. Glass will take 5 to 10 minutes, and metal will take 5 minutes of heating with the charcoal. The Samsaris should be rinsed with hot water after each use. You may air dry or towel dry the Samsaris. For deeper cleaning, soak in warm water and scrub with a soft sponge using dish soap. Be sure to never put your Samsaris in the dishwasher. Whether you choose a metal, ceramic, or glass Kaloud Samsaris, your choice is an excellent one. Your feedback is important to us, and we'd love to hear from you. Find us on social media and tag us with your favorite Samsaris memories with #Kaloud.